Alright, welcome to a brand new day. It is currently February 11th, it's Saturday, and 5:03 p.m. So, woke up and I've just been really off and on with how I'm doing with my health recently since video I made regarding eating the contaminated nuts from Italy and the chocolate. Not very well with our health at all. I don't know if there was some type of parasites in that, and that is also was attacking us along with the aflatoxins. But I'm losing weight significantly fast, more than I ever have before. I'm dropping down to 56 kilograms almost. I'm supposed to be at 60. I'm not sure what this is in pounds. I can't remember. Maybe 124 pounds I'm going to now. I should be over 130. I can't recall. Something like this. Very dangerous. I'm thinking about I need to go and get something to help take care of this. Papaya seeds and honey as a 70 or so percent roughly chance to clear them according to studies. Now cloves can help maybe get rid of eggs. I'm just gonna go see what I can do to help at least reduce them because I've had a lot of pain as well inside my abdomen, and I realized when you don't have something to eat, these parasites get extremely crazy. They'll start causing pain because there's nothing to consume, and you eat anything bad and stuff in general and you're still losing weight faster. It's like that's how it works. You eat more bad food, they consume it more. You get more fiber and things are gonna kill them. It's gonna help your body, and this is crazy, dude, just because it's from Italy. And yeah, it's first start to Europe basically, although not really. My first start was last year in the UK when I got robbed over 5,000 US dollars. So basically 5,000 euros, because people in London are pieces of crap basically for the way they just don't care about you and leave you dying and literally rob you of COVID tests and deliver the wrong address and don't communicate with you. Yeah, I have a whole story on that. I need to go out and try to maybe see if I can get something to help myself with this, because this is very serious. And I just looked in the mirror and I realized my legs are really getting thin, and it's worrying me because I'm going to be anorexic if I'm not careful. And it's like, I'm eating, that's not the problem. I need to take care of this because this is, not comfortable. So, I guess at the start of the day so far, is it ever gonna get less depressing? I don't know, I have to be truthful. If there's constant bad issues, it's that's life, that's kind of how the vlog's gonna go. So, I guess, see you in the next area I'm gonna go to. I don't know where that's at. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm kind of drugged in that right now for whatever reason. I just had a little water today, basically. Yeah, I'll see you in the next area. Okay, so I'm just trying to literally call to see if they have papaya in some place without having to travel all the way there. And people are so crazy. We called a place Safari, right? Go through here, and they literally would not give us prices or anything. It was automated call and just hey, if you want to know prices or anything, go to our store, or just say you want to know what time we open and close, go to our website. Literally, there's no service. And we tried calling another place here for papaya, and they were not answering at all the questions. Trying to say, oh, come here. I'm finally I start speaking in the call in Portuguese, and literally they still don't want to answer me. I'm I am not taking Uber to go there. I'm not gonna go waste my time. And finally they say, okay, it's half rotten. So I don't know if they're being sarcastic trying to say that, but I'm not gonna go waste my time to go get a fruit that literally has mold infected all over it while I'm already fighting a disorder attacking my liver right now. This is crazy. And then just randomly in the area here, it's blasting music. So I'm sorry, it's crazy thinking that there are so many just issues in an area like this. And so I know a lot of countries are not like this, and this is actually illegal in the US, for example. It's okay, you can say it's culture, but it's kind of just, I don't know, it's obnoxious. I guess that's the word I'm looking for. It's obnoxious. Right in the middle of everywhere. It's so loud. Thankfully these windows are quite good at blocking sound. Not perfect, but absolutely helps a lot. So yeah, that's cautious. People are really lazy here. They don't want to do their job, and they're cocksuckers, and they don't want to, help you, basically. Hospitals or grocery stores, anywhere. Honestly, I wouldn't recommend coming to the South at all. It's not a good place. The rest of Brazil, I think, is better from what I saw compared to the South. It's crazy to say that because there's so many issues there. But yeah, that's what I'm seeing so far. South Brazil is one of the worst places. When I say that, I mean Rio Grande do Sul, or Big Southern River, or Rio Grande do Sul, however you want to say that. I saw Santa Catarina was really good for its quality of things. By far the best place in Brazil, basically. Except for stupidly loud motorcycles that made us deaf because we got given a place on the street. We were there for some weeks and just super loud motorcycles at night or in the day, doesn't matter. It was so loud, hurting our hearing because people in Airbnb didn't freaking care at all. So yeah, imagine just trying to sleep. It's like 3 a.m. Huge. You like the loudest motorcycles you can imagine. I don't know how they even get that loud. And absolutely probably over 100 decibels and constantly hurting our hearing because I think I had worse hearing after being there for some weeks. It's crazy. All the things that you find out traveling that you just can't give people the data, the experience, the information. It really would save people's time and even health. That's it. We're gonna go try to see if there's some place we can go get this before it closes because places close so early here. And yeah, that's been my experience with this. So, and until the next place. So, I think I left off yesterday, I can't remember, but I went out to another mall to go to Kalunga to go get the box. I'm here now. We tried calling, no one answers for anything like in Brazil. They took all the numbers basically to call any individual store, bank or anything. And like we literally had to come here to see if something's gonna work. I'm in the mall. It's one of the best malls I ever saw. It's crazy. Looks extremely good here. All the way around. I can without being too awkward. But it looks extremely cool here. You see all the way behind me, all the way back up there. So it's really cool. And yeah, so I'm gonna go inside and just kind of see how it looks. I guess it's kind of awkward filming with all these people here. So yeah, I guess I have suns in my eyes too. I'm picking sunset right now. So okay, so I'm in Kalunga. It's so massive here. I got all kinds of stuff you want. It's the best place in Brazil I saw to get anything that you're looking for, like basic technology and stuff. So absolutely really cool. And I'm gonna see if I can find them. I'm looking for here. A lot of people. It's Sunday, so everyone's out. So I'm not be able to record much, but I'll see what I can do. Okay, I'm here. I found my box. It's a pretty big box right down. Let me see over here. It's right over here. Got some bubble wrap here. A little bit pricier than I wanted, but I have that. So it's gonna cost $28.40 right here. Yeah, it's pretty cool actually. Need to go find my pen drive, USB flash drive. There's so many names for it. I just looked up online. Translates the pen drive in Portuguese, which is pen drive. Obviously. Hopefully I can find that somewhere over here. The guy said it's in the front of the store, so I'm gonna go check there. That'd be a dream if I can get all this packed and organized and sent, and we can get heading off to Europe soon because country's definitely falling more. However, I have to admit this is the best mall I've ever been to in Brazil. This is like literally on a level of like the US. Absolutely has a good quality. But like we pointed something out we were thinking, and in the south they make things look really good around, but then you look up and like the roof is horrible. So the roof of the mall is like these freaking sheets of metal that look so like half done and constructed. And even the apartment we're in, like you walk into the main building, the roof is just like not even painted, just like pure concrete. I saw a lot of places do that in the US as well. I don't know, it's weird. I would not do that. I'm a perfectionist though. Anyways, yeah, I saw that there are interesting places in Caxias, but definitely a lot of problems. Like I said, I've been recovering. I woke up today feeling so freaked up in the head. Of his further food poisoning from something else. Trying to recover. I saw there are really good malls, by the way, in places like Saudi Arabia or these more Arabic countries that are even better than even the mall I'm in right now. They're like 8 floors, beautiful glass. These governments use their money and build extremely good malls. But careful for the culture there. From what I saw, I'm not seeing great things about Italy either. Just like not in general. I think France will be better. Looks like Italy has some good things, but in general, it's just. You can look at the way it's designed, for example, and just see it's not efficient, not really well put together. A lot of energy to move around, and from what I saw, it's not ideal at all. Oh, that reminds me, I saw they were trying to charge you and lie about hotels, I think it was, and say, oh, it's worth like $1,000. It's on sale to $100, and like they're lying about that. Like we looked it up, we found out the actual price. Italy was doing that. A few other countries in the European Union, I believe, as well. It's very much like Brazil. They lie about these things a lot. But France, I didn't see the same issue. And French people obviously are gonna have their own problems. Don't worry, I'm gonna get to them as well. Everyone's gonna have their proper critique and and show exactly how they are. Yeah, I guess I'll just get to one country at a time as I'm traveling, because every single country has good things and bad things. Some definitely win though over the others. I'll see how France is. I heard it's really chilled out, and we're gonna try heading there and see how it goes. Just be careful about ordering stuff. Heard they don't wash your dishes and don't shower enough. I'm gonna go see if that's true. Anyways, there's something else.
I'm back.
What'd you find?
So, if you want to know how it looks, they
Oh.
have it prepared for you.
Oh yeah, look up. So okay, this one. Prepared or yeah, that's the freaking box I'm gonna be sending to the US. Oh, please don't break on the way there. It's freaking $500. I'm probably gonna spend for, maybe not. I measured my baggage today with a hand measure, like this little thing. I just attached the handle and I lift it up, and it shows like the kilograms or pounds that it is. So I think it was like 15 kilograms right now from my baggage I'm trying to send, and 20 was, it's going to be maybe like $450. So I'm just going to kind of look at that and see how that goes, basically. And if it's too much money, I don't know about sending it. Like if it's 3,000 reals, like $600, that's at a certain point it's just easier to pack it with me through Europe, right? I'm presuming. So hopefully it's going to be around $500 maximum. Very hard to record with people everywhere, but yeah, hopefully it stays around $500. And I'm going to try to keep under that 20 kilogram weight limit. I guess I have nothing to say. Is that it?
Same price with this. It's way better than the one you got.
What is that?
Same price for tape.
That's good.
Yeah, you put your tape there.
Yeah, no, it's just like a basic tape cutter. Yeah,
There's
no.
the one we have.
There's a rip tape, but no,
There's
we,
the, I don't know what that is, but it's okay.
I don't know. There's so many things I don't know what to do. It's so awkward. I'm recording, and just like a minute ago, like a kid's walking up, and just like he stares at me, just like, should I go through? Should I not? Should I go through? Should I not? He doesn't go through. Turns around. It's so awkward. Okay, so yeah, that's it basically. Yeah.